Let us learn inheritance. We are deriving a class student from the class person. That is, student is a person. Here you can see the class person with private data Aadhaar, protected data PAN number, and public data name. Okay, here the constructor of this class. Since the other data is private, we need a public function to get this other data outside of this class. So we are using public string get other return other. Okay, get other is a function. Okay, after that we are constructing the class student by extending the class person. So the keyword extends do that work. It will derive the class person. Sorry, derive the class student from class person. So we are creating the student by extending the class person. Here the student class have the private data, admission number, protected data course, and public data batch. Okay, and this will inherit the protected data of class person PAN and public data of class person name. Okay, it won't inherit the private data. Okay, since these two classes are in the same package, you will feel this protected data is similar to public data. Okay, here this is the constructor of the class student, and inside this constructor we are calling the superclass constructor person, and we are passing Aadhaar, PAN and mobile number and name to the superclass constructor. Then this dot admission number, this equal to admission number, this is course equal to course, this dot batch equal to batch. After that we have to write the test program. So public static void main. Inside that we are creating an instance of class student is equal to new. Remember the new operator space for this object, and s will be a reference to that. We have passed all the data. Then we are declaring some variables to store this value taken from this object student. Okay, so we have written Aadhaar equal to s dot Aadhaar, PAN equal to s dot PAN, like that. Okay, what is our intention is how many of these statements will create errors. Okay, let us check. Let us translate this program. This program is stored as teststudent.java. Compile this. Java C student.java. Here you can see it has created two errors. Okay, let us check what are the errors. You can see here Aadhaar has private access in person. We have written a statement Aadhaar equal to s dot Aadhaar. So a private data cannot be accessed like this with object name dot data name. This is not possible. So we have to correct it as Aadhaar equal to s dot get Aadhaar, because we have a public function to return this private data. Okay. Okay, let us correct it. Aadhaar equal to s dot get Aadhaar. And let us check what are the next error. The next error says ADM now has private access in student. Okay, admission number is the private data of student. So you can't access the data like this object name dot data name. Okay, it is not possible. So here we have to write a public function to return this admission number. Okay, let us correct this. So inside the class student we need a public function which will return a string get ADM get admission number, which will return the admission number return the admission number. Let us save this and try to recompile this. Okay, s.adm menu that we have not used the function adm menu, the part of the public function which will return the admission number. Okay. Save and try to compile this. Okay, now it is okay. So next let us print some of these values. Aadhaar equal to Aadhaar. Admission number is equal to ADM menu, or let us use the protected data also. Protected data, it is code sync. Let us try to print that also. Okay, let us print the protected data in person. Okay, it is uh, PAN and mobile number. Okay, let us print PAN. Okay, let us compile this. Okay, let us run this. Okay, it is printed Aadhaar, admission number, and PAN number. Okay, let us try a private public data. Batch is public. Okay, so let us here the name is public in person. Okay, let us print this. Okay, let us compile this. It is working. Let us run this. Okay, this is the output. This is the output. So in this program you can see private data not inherited, and with the student object we were unable to access the data as object name dot admission number, because admission number is private in class student. Okay, the protected data and public data inherited by the subclass. Student is the subclass and person is the superclass.